even though you lost the first match to India, a lot of positives coming out of that game.
Yeah, definitely we have a lot of positive things. We are continuing that momentum in this match also.
And what's your message to the boys today?
The message is simple. Just play confidently and believe on yourself and enjoy your match.
और क्या team है? What's the team for today?
We have one change. Dani unfortunately is out. Hasnan is back.
Have a good one, Baba.
Yes, man.
Rohit, Pakistan fielding, what would you have done?
We would have bowled first as well. But now that we know we are batting first, we need to just come out and play quite freely and just assess and see what's the best score on this pitch.
The momentum looks good. You've had 2 matches, 2 wins. That helps.
Yeah, obviously. I mean, look, when you're playing a format like this, momentum really counts. And we know that we play every opposition every time in this kind of tournament. So you've got to be on the money right from the start. And yeah, you know, we understand the importance of the game, and it'll be important for us to just start well, not to forget about you know, the external voice and the pressure.
Injury problems always a worry, not for just this tournament, but for the big one coming up.
Yeah, I mean, look, it is something that we cannot control. You know, we're playing a lot of games. Injuries are bound to happen. Unfortunately, Jadeja is ruled out of this tournament. He's injured. He's gone back home. But we've got the other guys who can come and replace him and do the job for us.
And to pick 11 is a headache with this Indian team. What's your team for today?
Yeah, it was quite a headache, to be honest. You know, we had to sit down and understand the opposition that we are playing. Based on that, we thought we had to make some changes, unforced changes, because Jadeja is out. So obviously from the last game that we played, Hardik comes back, Deepak Hooda gets a game, and Ravi Bishnoi comes in.
Have a good one, Rohit.
Thank you very much.
Well, that's the news from the center. Pakistan have won the...
पाकिस्तान ने भारत के खिलाफ टॉस जीत लिया है, पहले फील्डिंग का फैसला किया है। तो अब दुबई में इंडिया की टीम पहले बैटिंग करेगी। बाबर आजम ने टॉस जीता। पाकिस्तानी टीम में एक तब्दीली की गई है। शाहनवाज धानी इंजर्ड होने के बाद आउट हो गए। हसनैन टीम में शामिल है।